So every airplane job, you have to use a maintenance manual. All right? It's like our Bible. You have to use the maintenance manual for every job. So I'm removing a switch. No big deal. And that's the switch right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of little black circle. Okay, here's a better picture. Might be there it is, orange. That's it. That's my switch. What they don't tell you is there's no fucking access. All they say is take off the cover, remove the safety wire, disconnect it, put the other new one back in, job done. Motherfucker. And this is why we fucking hate engineers.